The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Gray County in the Panhandle of Texas until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located 10 miles south of Kings Mill, or 14 miles south of Pampa, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pampa. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover now. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Gray County. At 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near La Force, or near Pampa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous situation. This tornado has caused extensive damage south of Pampa. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Pampa. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Gray County in the Panhandle of Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kings Mill, or 8 miles south of Pampa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Pampa and Kings Mill. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.